the time of the year where we deck the hall. As you can see, my excitement. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Here I show you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything that you're interested in, please go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe button to be part of the family. Let's get into this video. I am beyond excited. I can't even stop talking. Let's do it. Okay, so we placed the comment hook. Now let's go ahead and add the garland.
It's getting cold, baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you.
So I'm gonna go ahead and add more stems to it so that it can be a little bit fuller. As you can see, there is gap in the garland, and I didn't like the way it looks like that. So I grabbed a couple of other garlands that I had home here, and also some faux stems to go ahead and fill the empty spot. Guys, I want to take you guys to a journey of decorating for the holiday that does not have to be too overwhelming. The holiday itself, Christmas itself is already overwhelming. So I just want to take you guys to a journey where this will be so cozy and most of all minimal. And if that's what you want to see, keep watching, guys. This Christmas tree, I got them from Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and add the link for everything down below so that you can have access to it and purchase them whenever you need them. This can be used for the holidays. It could also be used throughout the whole new year, so it's not just for Christmas alone. And I just love it. Even when it's turned off, it still looks pretty in my house. Let's continue decorating, guys. Right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on to see how it looks like. The simplicity of this looks like something from Target. It was actually from Ross. I'm gonna add it right over here and put candles inside. I want to try something I never tried, right? So this is pretty. Oh, you're supposed to put it like this, Gladys. So then the candle lights up right here. Well, anywho, I don't want to use it that way. I want to use it this way. So what I'm gonna do, because I have tea light candles, but I don't want to do it that way. I want to use it with tall tipper candles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt some candles right here. As it's melting, I'm gonna stick the candles inside. Hopefully it will stay. If you're liking the video, please go ahead and click on the like button. Again, if you're new, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to put your notification bell on. If you like this video, it shows YouTube that they want to see more videos like this on my channel. So this video can do good and you're supporting your small YouTuber. I will truly appreciate that. Keep watching, guys. I'm loving how everything is turning out. Let me know what you think down below. Like this. However, I want to see if I want to switch it with the paper one from H&M. Let me see how that looks like, because I really want to bring this in my entryway. So let's try and see. This is the big one. Already I know I'm going to love it, but let's see. I love it. This is the look I'm going for. Let's go do the entryway. Let's go. If you haven't decorated yet, what color are you guys going for? Are you going for the classic white and red Christmas, or are you going for greenery? Are you going for woodsy? Are you going for winter wonderland? Let me know down the comment below. Let's start a little chat. Share your thought down below.
'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this. It's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, how you make it all okay.
Okay guys, let's continue decorating. Here on this credenza, I like the fact that it's white, so I want to keep all the decor on the top white as well. Just very simple and clean. I feel like when decors are neutral, I don't switch them very often. I have the itch to switch a lot, so when they're all the same color, a neutral palette, I allow them to be to the end of whatever season. So that's what we're going to do, and just add a little pop of green and some candles just to make it look a little bit more festive. And again, everything will be down below guys in the description. So I have this garland from Walmart. Like I say, I wanted to use this to just have it as a background, and it also lights up because I really want the entryway to just be sparkling and lighting up. So we're going to see how we can incorporate this. Oh my God, it's huge. I think I might have to use this for outside. Oh my Lord. Okay, it's really big.
To a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
This for pop of color.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on. from this Christmas on. From this
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. It was a privilege filming it for you guys. Please stay tuned for more videos and the final home tour. You are going to love this. I'm going to do some outfits to inspire you for the holidays. I cannot wait. God bless you guys. See you guys until the next video. Bye, y'all.